ICSE Mathematics Class 10, Chapter 15, Exercise 15D. Question number 1. Find the volume of the and curved surface of the sphere if pi is equal to 22/7, radius is equal to 1 centimeter. देखिए, find the volume and the curved surface of the sphere if pi is equal to 22/7. So the volume will be equal to, radius is 1 centimeter given in the first part, that is 4/3 into pi r cube, 4/3 into 22/7 into 1 cube, that will be equal to 88/21 centimeter cube. And the curved surface area, that will be equal to 4 pi r square. So the 4 into 22/7 into 1 square, and it will be equal to 88/7 centimeter square. These are the two answers of the question number 1, first part. Now come to the question number 1, second part, that is the radius is 14 centimeter. So volume will be equal to 4/3 pi 22/7 into 14 cube. That will be equal to 4/3 22/7 into 2744, means 14 का क्यूब जो होगा 2744. इसको हमने 7 से डिवाइड किया, we got it 392. Again multiply it to the 88, we got 34,496 by 3. So ultimately we got the solution answer of it, that is 11,498 and 2/3 centimeter cube. Curved surface area will be equal to 4 into 22/7, means 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22/7 into 14 square. So 14 square, that is 196. So 4 into 22/7 into 196, it will be equal to 17,248 divided by 7. Finally we got it 2,464 square centimeter. Now come to the fourth part, that is the radius is given, that is 5.1/4 centimeter. That will be equal to 21/4 centimeter radius. So volume will be equal to 4/3 into 22/7 into 21/4. You see the radius is already given, so 21/4 into 21/4 into 21/4. क्यूब करने के लिए मैंने 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है. इसमें से देखिए कैसे कैंसिल, ये 4 से कैंसिल हो गया. अच्छा, और ये 3 से 21, 3 और 7, 3 7 जा 21, ये 21 मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया. 4 से 22 को कैंसिल किया तो 2 ईयर, यहाँ 11 आ गया, इधर 4. सो मल्टीप्लाई किया 21 into 11, we got it 4,851 divided by 8. It will be equal to 606 and 3/8 centimeter cube. Curved surface area will be equal to 4 pi, that is 4 into 22/7 into 21/4 into 21/4. इसको सॉल्व किया फर्दर, 693/2. फर्दर डिवाइड किया इसको 346 and 1/2 centimeter cube square. That will be the curved surface area. This is the fourth part. Now come to the third part, which is by mistake I have left it. So the third part is the radius is 28. So volume will be equal to 4/3 22/7 into 28 cube. So 4/3 into 22/7, 28 का क्यूब किया 21,952. इसको 7 से डिवाइड कर दिया हमने, 3,136. Now multiply it by 88, you will get 2,75,968 divided by 3. We got the final solution, that is 91,989 and 1/3 centimeter cube. Curved surface area of the third part, that will be equal to 4 into 22/7 into 28 square is equal to 88 by 7 into 784. 7 से डिवाइड किया इसको 112. So 112 into 88, we got it 9,856 centimeter square. Now come to the fifth part, because the fourth part I have already done it. Now come to the fifth part. The diameter is given, that is 14 centimeter. So radius will be equal to 7 centimeter. Volume will be equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 3 times 7 का क्यूब किया. So we got it here. 88 का 49 में मल्टीप्लाई किया. 4,312 divided by 3, it will be equal to 1,437.3 centimeter cube. Now curved surface area will be equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 square, that is 7 into 7. So 7 and 7 cancel, so 88 into 7, that will be equal to 616 square centimeter. Now the sixth part of the question number 1, that is the diameter is 35 centimeter. So the radius will be equal to 17.5 centimeter. So volume will be equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 17.5 whole raised to power 3. It will be equal to 88 by 21 into 5,359.375. So in order to remove this decimal, I have just divided by 1000. So now divided the numerator and denominator by 25 here. So we got it, this answer, and ultimately the answer will be 22,458 and 1 by 3 centimeter cube. Now come to the curved surface area. That will be equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 7.5 whole raised to power 2, means the square of the radius. That is 88 by 7 into 306.25. In order to remove the decimal, I have divided it by 100. So now divide it by 25, you will get here 1225 by 4 here. Here it will be equal to 4 7 ने इसको कैंसिल किया, 22 आ गया, इधर 7 से डिवाइड कर दिया, 175. So ultimately we got it 3,850 square centimeter, and this will be the answer of sixth part of the question number 1. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 states that find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is equal to the volume. Surface area is equal to the volume. So now substitute it. Let R be the radius of the sphere. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into R cube. This is the volume. Now 4 into 22 by 7 into R square. Means volume and surface area both are numerically equal. So now this 4 and 4 will be cancelled. 22 by 7 will be cancelled. This is R square, this is R cube. So R square will be cancelled. Here the power 3 will be removed. Only R will be left. So the radius will be equal to, now 3 will cross multiply. So radius will be equal to 3 centimeter or 3 unit. This will be the answer. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 states that find the diameter of the sphere whose surface area is equal to the area of the circle of the diameter 2.8 centimeter. अब देखिए सरफेस एरिया 4 इंटू पाई इंटू डी बाई 2 मीन्स द डायमीटर को हमने 2 से डिवाइड किया तो रेडियस मिल गया. सो 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर होता है. सो डी बाई 2 कर दिया इसको. हियर पाई इंटू 2.8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 होल स्क्वायर. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में फाइंड द डायमीटर ऑफ स्फीयर व्हिच सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल टू द एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल ऑफ द डायमीटर 2.8. सो एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल पाई आर स्क्वायर होता है. सो 2.8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 का होल स्क्वायर किया मैंने यहाँ पर. सो पाई एंड पाई विल बी कैंसिल. इसका 2 का स्क्वायर होगा तो 4 हो जाएगा और इधर भी 2 का स्क्वायर होगा तो 4 होगा. दिस 2 will be cancelled. Now we are left with here d square will be equal to 2.8 raised to power 2 divided by 4. Now here I have taken the 2 as a square root of 4, 2, and I put the square on the top here. So 2.8 divided by 2, that will be equal to 1.4 raised to power 2. So the diameter square is equal to 1.4 raised to power 2. So now remove the square or take the square root. So d will be equal to 1.4 centimeter. And this will be the answer of question number 3. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 states that find the radius of the sphere whose volume is 32 by 3 pi centimeter cube. Now see 4 by 3, 22 by 7 r cube. This is the volume and it will be equal to 32 by 3 pi. So pi and pi will be cancelled here. 22 by 7 and pi will be cancelled. Now 4 8 are 32 and 3 will be cancelled here. So the r cube is equal to 8. Now take the cube root of both the sides. So r will be equal to 2 centimeter. This will be the answer of question number 4. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 states that the volume of the sphere is 4.851 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. Find its surface area. देखिए इधर 4 by 3, 22 by 7 into r cube. That is given that is 4.851. So in order to remove this decimal, I have divided it by 1000. Now you see 22 है 11 से मैंने डिवाइड किया तो 11 to the 22 here 11 से डिवाइड किया हमने. I got it 441 upon 1000. Here 4 by 3 as it is. So r cube will be equal to 441 into 3 into 7 whole divided by 4 into 2, 4 into 2 into 10 raised to power 3. यहाँ पर ये है 1000 है 1000 को मैंने लिख दिया 10 raised to power 3. So this 441 can be further prime factorized. That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. And it is 8 into 10 raised to power 3. So take the cube root of both the sides now. Very simple. The radius will be equal to 3 into 7 whole divided by 20. 8 का cube root 2, 10 raised to power 3 का cube root 10. So 20 and 3 into 7. यहाँ से 3 मिला और 7. 3 into 7 21. 21 divided by 2 centimeter the radius. Now the surface area will be equal to 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Now you see here I have cancelled it. 7 3 are 21. Now it is 20 20. So divide किया इसको हमने. It will be equal to now it is here 4. So 2 2 जा 4 होता है 4 4 को कैंसिल कर दिया 10 into 10 रह जाएगा. So it will be 100. So 1386 divided by 100. Now divided the decimal will be here. The surface area will be equal to 13.86 centimeter square. This will be the answer of question number 5. Now come to the question number 6. Find the volume of the hollow sphere whose outer diameter is 10 centimeter and the thickness of the material of which it is made is 1 centimeter. एक स्फीयर है जिसका आउटर डायमीटर 10 सेंटीमीटर है, तो आउटर रेडियस कितना हो जाएगा 5 सेंटीमीटर. इनर डायमीटर दैट इज 10-2, थिकनेस 1 सेंटीमीटर है. सो दोनों तरफ डायमीटर के दोनों किनारे पर 1 सेंटीमीटर माइनस किया जाएगा. सो इट विल बी गॉट 10-2 दैट इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द इनर डायमीटर that will be 8 centimeter, the inner radius will be equal to 4 centimeter. Now volume of the hollow spheres will be equal to 4 by 3 pi into 5 cube minus 4 cube. 5 cube minus 4 cube, that will be equal to 4 by 3, 22 by 7. 5 का क्यूब किया 125, 4 का क्यूब किया 64, माइनस किया you will get 61. So 88 by 21 into 61, that will be equal to 5368 divided by 21. It will be equal to 255.619 and approximately it will be equal to 255.6 centimeter cube. This will be the answer of question number 6. Now come to the question number 7. The surface area of the two spheres are in the ratio of 4:9. Find the ratio of their volumes. सरफेस एरिया का रेशियो दिया हुआ है. सो 4 बाई पाई आर. हमने एक स्फीयर का रेडियस स्मॉल आर से लिया है, दूसरे का कैपिटल आर से. सो 4 पाई इंटू आर स्क्वायर बाई 4 पाई इंटू आर स्क्वायर. यहाँ पर स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पर कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर है. दैट इज इक्वल टू 4/9. इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. सो नाउ 4 पाई and 4 पाई विल बी कैंसल्ड. So inside the bracket small r by capital R whole square, that is equal to 4/9. Now take the square root of both the side. You will get small r by capital R and it will be equal to 2/3. So we have got the ratio of small r by capital R, that is equal to 2/3. Now 4/3 into pi into r cube whole divided by 4/3 pi into capital R cube. So this 4/3 and pi, all numerator part and denominator part will be cancelled. We are left with small r by capital R whole raised to power 3 is equal to 2/3 raised to power 3. So take the 2 ka power 3, 3 ka power 3. It will be equal to 8/27. So the ratio will be 8:27 and this will be the answer of question number 7. Now come to the question number 8. The volume of the two spheres are in the ratio of 64:27. Find their radii if the sum of their radii is 21 centimeter. Now you see here the volume 4/3 pi into capital R cube by 4/3 pi R cube. हमने कैपिटल आर को ऊपर ले लिया क्योंकि 64 है, स्मॉल आर के लिए 27 कर दिया मैंने. सो 4/3 कैंसिल, पाई एंड पाई विल बी कैंसिल्ड. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद द कैपिटल आर बाई स्मॉल आर होल रेस्ट पावर 3 इज इक्वल टू 64 को दैट कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज 4 की पावर 3, 3 की पावर 3, 27 को. नाउ वी कैन टेक द क्यूब रूट ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स. सो कैपिटल आर बाई स्मॉल आर विल बी इक्वल टू 4/3. Hence, capital R, that is 3R, capital 3 into capital R is equal to 4 into small r. And the sum of the two radii are given. That is capital R plus small r is equal to 21. So in place of capital R, I have written here 4/3. देखिए, capital R is equal to 4/3 small r. So 4/3 small r plus r. And it will be equal to 3. से मल्टीप्लाई किया यहाँ पर 3 और 4 को प्लस किया 7r/3. 7r/3 इज इक्वल टू 21. सो 7 and 21 will be cancelled. It will be equal to 3. So radius will be equal to, small radius will be equal to 9 centimeter. Now hence the capital R, that will be equal to 4/3 into small r. So 4/3 into 9. So 3 3 is 9. 4 3 are 12. So capital R is equal to 12 centimeter, small r is equal to 9 centimeter. Now come to the question number 9. Find the cost of painting the hemispherical dome of diameter 10 meters at the rate of rupees 1.40 per square meter. So cost of painting the hemispherical dome of diameter 10 meter at the rate of rupees 140 per square meter will be equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 into 1.40. This is the rate. So now you see here the 10 और n 0 ये हटाने के लिए मैंने डेसिमल हटाने के लिए ये 2 जीरो कैंसिल कर दिया. नाउ 7 से डिवाइड किया इसको. 7 इंटू 2, देखिए 7 इंटू 2 14 होता है, तो हमने कैंसिल कर दिया और 10 लिख दिया यहाँ पर. 2 ये 2 और ये 2 इधर वाला 2, इन दोनों 2 को कैंसिल कर दिया. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 22 इंटू 10, so that will be equal to 220. So 220 will be the cost of rupees 220 will be the cost of painting the hemispherical dome. This will be the answer of question number 9. Now come to the question number 10. A certain spherical ball of the diameter 4 cm weighs 8 kg. Find the weight of the spherical balls of the same material whose inner and outer diameters are 8 cm and 10 cm respectively. देखिए 4/3 इंटू 22/7 इंटू 4/2 इंटू 4/2 इंटू 4/2 मीन्स 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. ये है 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. इतने क्यूब सेंटीमीटर का वेट कितना दिया हुआ है? 8 kg. तो व्हाट विल बी द वेट ऑफ दिस? देखिए मैं लिखा हूँ 4/3 इंटू 22/7. इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट आई हैव रिटन 10/2 का होल क्यूब माइनस 8/2 का होल क्यूब. तो 10/2 मीन्स 5 का क्यूब. 5 का क्यूब कितना होता है? 125. 8 का क्यूब कितना होगा? 8/2 का 4 मतलब 4. 4 का क्यूब होगा 164. सो 125 माइनस 64. किया इसमें से, तो इसको डिवाइड कर दिया हमने ला करके यहाँ से. देखिए 4/3 से कैंसिल. 22/7 22/7. 64/8 आएगा इधर. 64/8 और यहाँ पर आए 125 माइनस 64, दैट विल बी द 61. सो ऑल पार्ट विल बी कैंसिल्ड हियर, ओनली वी आर लेफ्ट विद द 61. सो 61 विल बी द kg. 61 kg will be the answer of the question number 10. Now come to the question number 11. First, prove that the surface area of the spheres of a diameter d is equal to pi d square and the volume is equal to 1/6 pi d cube. First part. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट देखिए, surface area of the sphere whose diameter is d is equal to 4 into pi. In place of radius I have written d/2 whole square. So it will be equal to pi d square. देखिए इसका 4 और इसलिए 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. pi d square will be left and volume will be equal to 4/3 pi into d/2 का क्यूब किया. That will be equal to 4/3 into pi into d cube by 8. सॉल्व किया इसको. देखिए 4 2 जा 8, 2 3 जा 6, 1/6 pi d cube and it was to be proved. सरफेस एरिया pi d स्क्वायर आ गया हमारा और वॉल्यूम जो है 1/6 pi d क्यूब आ गया. Hence it is proved, or QED. Now the second part is the volume of the diameters of the cone and the spheres are equal. Volume and diameter of cone and spheres are equal. Prove that the height of the cone is twice the diameter of the sphere. देखिए 1/3 into pi into d/2 का होल स्क्वायर इंटू h. ये कौन का है? वॉल्यूम. दैट इज 1/3 into pi into r स्क्वायर into h. and it should be equal to 4 by 3 pi d by 2 ka whole cube. Means radius 4 by 3 pi d cube. Pi d by 2 ka cube. Now open it. So pi and pi will be cancelled. This is small 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So we are left with d square by 4 into h, and that will be equal to 4 into d cube by 8. So 4 to the 8, 8 2, and 2 to the 4. So now h will be equal to twice of d. Height will be equal to the twice of diameter, and it was to be proved. So QED